EPDM roofs offer a multitude of advantages that make them a highly attractive option for both commercial and residential applications. One of the primary benefits is their exceptional durability. EPDM is resistant to weathering, hail damage, and ultraviolet UV rays, which helps maintain its integrity over time. This resilience makes it an ideal choice for regions with extreme weather conditions. Another significant advantage is cost-effectiveness. EPDM roofing systems are generally less expensive to install compared to other commercial roofing options, ranging between £50 and £25 per square meter. Furthermore, EPDM roofs require minimal maintenance. The smooth surface of the membrane prevents the growth of moss and algae, reducing the need for frequent cleaning or repairs. Energy efficiency is another notable benefit. Dark-colored EPDM can help reduce heating costs during colder months, while light-colored variants reflect sunlight, aiding in the reduction of cooling expenses.